Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I am back with another two greatest off-campus opportunities, that is the one is Cisco and another one is the Juspay. Yes. So let's start the video. If you are a student or recent graduate looking for a software electronic related opportunity, then today's video is for you. So Cisco has opened application for the role of test development engineer in Bangalore. So this is the greatest off-campus opportunity for the freshers. So who are interested in Python programming, automation, hardware testing, and data analytics. In this video, I will explain everything. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know, including the company, job role, eligibility, required skills, responsibilities, and who should apply. So let's get started the video. Before applying the companies, you have to know something about the Cisco. Yes, Cisco is one of the world leading networking and technology companies. It develops the products and solutions used across enterprise networking, payments like cloud computing, and everything. So let's start the job details. So the company name is Cisco and the role is test development engineer and the location is Bangalore. And the work mode is hybrid and experience is 0 to 2 years from means 24, 25 and 26 batches can apply. So don't forget 24, 25, 26 batches can apply. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will daily share the job updates. And don't forget to like, comment and share the video. So according to the job description, candidate with a bachelor's degree in electronics and communication engineering or computer science engineering with 0 to 2 years experience are eligible to apply. That means the role is suitable for many fresh graduates as well as candidates with a little industry experience like 0 to 2 years. So there is no official application deadline, so you have to apply as soon as possible. What will you do in this job? So as a test development engineer, you will work on the Cisco product operations team to ensure networking products are throughout the tested before they reach the customers. So your work may include the test automation using Python, creating automated test processes and writing Python scripts, and like self-driven and adaptable problem-solving skills, presenting skills for Cisco experts. The Cisco expect the important technical skills including Python programming skills, test automation, data analytics, basic hardware like I2C and SPI, problem solving and understanding of the presentation skills. And also preferred skills such as data science, strongest communication skills, presentation skills, ability to work with the global teams. So these are all the required and preferred skills for the Cisco role. This opportunity stand out is the exposure you will get, such as you will work on products related to AI infrastructure. And so why this is a good opportunity? So you will also gain practical experience in automation, manufacturing testing, Python development, hardware debugging, data analytics, and cross-functional engineering. So this is one of the backbone for your future development of career. So this is all about the Juspay hiring. So don't forget to apply for this role. So this is all about the Cisco development role. So this is all about the Cisco desk development role. So don't forget to apply for this role. So freshers and recent graduates, don't miss this opportunity and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Now let's start the Juspay video. Yes, let's start the video. Juspay is hiring for the software development engineer and it is mainly backend, not frontend. It is mainly for the backend. If you know the backend skills, you have to apply, or else it is like wasting of time, or else you can try. So before starting a video, let's see what is Juspay company and what they do. Juspay is a multinational payment technology company founded in 2012 and headquartered is in Bangalore only. So the company provides the payment solution hundreds of enterprises and banks worldwide. Like you may also see the while banking or transacting any money, you may see the Juspay like that only. So let's start the video. The company name is the Juspay and the role is software backend development engineer and the job time is full time and the location is Bangalore. The job role mainly focus on the backend engineering and building scalable payment systems. The official job description does not mention any specific batch or experience requirement. So if you have the each skills like that mentioned in this job description, so Juspay does not mention the official end deadline. So if you know all the skills mentioned in the description, you can apply for this role. So what will you do in the Juspay? So some of the responsibilities include building the backend services for payment systems, developing business logic, and also improving the application performance and systems, contributing to the framework that simplifies software development. The company also works on different engineering domains such as backend engineering, SDK development, data science, and infrastructure engineering. And the required skills for this role such as and the required skills for and if you know these skills, you can apply for this role such as backend development, DSA, API development, functional programming concept, distributed system, problem solving, and system design basics. If you know all these skills or extra skills rather than this, then only you can apply, or else you can apply and then learn. So who should apply? The opportunity is suitable for the candidate interested in backend engineering and payment technologies. If you know all these skills, then only apply, or else it is waste of time. So this is all about two job applications such as Cisco test development engineer and Juspay backend development engineer. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So I will share the daily job updates. The link in the description.